How to join Roblox group. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily join any groups or communities on your Roblox application. So first thing folks, simply head over to your Roblox application and make sure you are logged in with your account. And once you're inside here, simply click on this more icon over here, or if it shows on this icon you can simply click on it. But if it doesn't show the group or communities in my section, then simply click on more and you will see this. It might be shown as a group on your device, but it's showing as a community on my device, so it doesn't really matter. Simply click on any of those if it's group or if it's communities. So what it does is basically shows the communities or groups which I have already joined. So to join a new group, simply click on this more communities option over there, and once you click on it you can either see the friends groups in which your friends have already joined. In my section I don't have any friends as I've just created this account, so what you can do is simply click on any of these communities or groups and wait for some time, and you will see the option called to join the community. Simply click on it. Once you click on it you will get the confirmation that you have successfully joined the community. So that is it guys, that's exactly how you join the group or communities on Roblox. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.